Steve, what's Motor Trend certified?
Good question, Tyler. We're the only Motor Trend certified store in the state of West Virginia. How'd we get there? We had the highest levels of customer satisfaction. Motor Trend will not assign their name or license their name to anybody that doesn't take superb care of consumers. By the way, Motor Trend is the elite authority when it comes to all things automotive. Now, how does this vehicle you're looking at become certified? It goes through a rigorous inspection process. It's not the inspection process most dealers put their used cars through. Okay, it's 172 points. Anything that doesn't pass has to be replaced or fixed. But then, the really cool part is, we're going to guarantee it 3 ways. We're going to guarantee the mechanical soundness of the vehicle with a 6-month, 7,500-mile, comprehensive limited warranty. This is not just a powertrain warranty, Tyler. This warranty is going to cover most of the mechanical workings of that vehicle. Okay, we're going to guarantee something that nobody else in the state will, because we're going to guarantee the price. We're going to guarantee you cannot pay too much for one of our Motor Trend certified vehicles, and that's via our best value guarantee. And I'll explain how that works later on, but you can't pay too much, so don't worry about that. And lastly, you're not going to get stuck with the wrong vehicle, Tyler, because we're going to give you a 3-day test drive. Okay, take the sucker home, have a good time with it. Don't put more than 300 miles on it during those first 3 days. Don't run into anything, because if you want to, you can bring it back and exchange it for another. All those policies are in writing. Tyler, has any dealer ever made those commitments to you before and put it in writing?
No.
Let's go check out the vehicle you came in to see, make sure it's right for you.
Oh.
How many times have I done that?
A lot.
More than twice, for damn sure. Okay, but that's how good you guys need to get at this. Look, you got the ultimate sales tool, but it's like any other tool. About 6 or 7 years ago, I got up on a ladder with a wrench, and I was going to fix my own garage door and cut off 2 of my fingers. Was I qualified to use that tool? No, I wasn't. It's not my brightest moment by any stretch of the imagination. But this is a giveaway program, okay? This costs the dealership some money, doesn't it? Yeah, it costs the dealership some money. The only way it works is if we can sell more cars, create more gross profit because of it. And the only way that happens is if you guys get not good, but really good at communicating the value. Motor Trend is hot, but it's only as hot as the salesperson who's presenting it to the customer, as you pointed out just a few minutes ago. If you can create the value, the customer will pay you more money. If you can create the value, more people will say yes. What's the purpose of the best value guarantee?
Easier mind.
Get that too bad now.
It's to make it easier for them to say yes. Now, ease their mind. It's designed to eliminate the biggest fear a consumer has when they walk on this lot. And what's that, Tyler?
Price objection.
Paying too much. I mean, what are we known for? Giving good deals or ripping people's heads off?
Good deals.
Yeah, right.
Great deals.
What are we known for?
Taking advantage.
Even though in 2019, gross profits, both new and used, in the entire country hit historical lows. Okay, like I tell my friends say, how do you get a good deal? I say, show up. Just show up. You're going to get a good deal unless you're a complete moron. Do your research. Find the dealer nearest to you, and you're going to get a good deal. How do I know I'm going to get a good deal? And that's the problem. Does a consumer recognize a good deal?
Never.
Never, never, never. That's why, we had to talk about this yesterday. If the customer leaves here and they didn't buy because they didn't think they were getting a good deal, whose fault is that? That's our fault. Okay? And there's both science and art to helping the customer come to the good deal perception. Because what is a good deal? It's nothing more than right here. Micah, you haven't been selling that long. Mark, you've been